Good morning, everybody. Here is your first daily update of what's happening on the garden while you're gone. As you can see, they've laid carpets out. The reason for that is because even though they said they had fixed the roof from leaking, they did not fix the roof from leaking. And so all the classrooms downstairs got wet just like they did when we left the hose on. Today we are going to have a assignment that we are going to talk about a product, not really just a product, something that we're going to start using in our composting. By the way, as you can see here, I've planted another one of our grow beds. It's ready to go. This one I had the coffee added, which means we just have these two left here to plant. We're getting ready to order 5 more, so hopefully those will be done by the end of the month so we can start doing more composting and expand. In any case, today you are going to learn about this stuff, which is called Humic Acid. And this is already something that I had planned on using in the garden. One of the nice things about it is organic, so we can still keep our organic status even though we are using this product. And the reason why we added it is a couple reasons. Number one, humic acid is full of what is called potassium, which you remember from our macronutrients, N, P, and K on a fertilizer scale. Potassium is important for certain functions of the plant, specifically plant health, but also we have been doing what's called phosphate loading over the winter. We haven't been fertilizing with nitrogen because growth is slowed down. There's already nitrogen in our soil. What we have been doing is phosphate loading. So now what we need to do is basically unlock the nutrients in the soil and make it available to the plants. So just imagine if, let's see, an example of a plate of pasta you had in front of you. The only problem is you had nothing to eat it with. So that's what happens sometimes to nutrients in the soil. They get locked up in the soil. They combine as compounds with other things like phosphorus and calcium can basically bind together and then become unavailable to the plant. And the only thing that can unlock that are if you add certain things like potassium and certain things called other types of chelates. And then also we talked about a lot in Unit 2 are lovely little microorganisms, which